Hi analyst, welcome to day 7 of our ArcGIS Pro Challenge tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll learn about saving and sharing your project. You will know how to save your work and how to export your maps as PDF or images and how to share your project as an ArcGIS package. Saving your project regularly is key to preventing data loss while working with ArcGIS, and it also helps to organize your work properly. To begin with, let's see how we can save our project in ArcGIS. To save your project, come to the Project tab. You see Save Project. Click on Save Project. To save any new update that you make on your map from the last time you opened it. So if there are no new updates, if you go to Project, it will be grayed out. Another save that you can perform in ArcGIS Pro is Save As. Using Save As will save a different version of your project. Whether you want to give the project another name or you want to change the location of your project. So you can make use of this function if you want to do any of these two. Now, let's explore how to export our maps and layouts. Exporting is great for sharing your work as image, PDF, or even a package that others can open in ArcGIS Pro to work with. To start, make sure you select the layout view on the view section here. Immediately you are on the layout view, you will have access to the share tab, and from here you can export layouts either as JPEG, georeference PDF. It depends on the requirement of your project. Let's try out the web JPEG. The first thing is to decide on the file type. Do you want to save as JPEG, PNG, SVG, but we are going for JPEG. Then we'll select the location of choice that we want our map to be saved. I will stick to this as the default. Then the DPI depends on the resolution that I want. So the higher you increase it, the higher the resolution. I'll leave it on the default for now. Then from here, I can click to export my map. The exporting is done. I can view exported file. Then here is my map. To export as PDF, just change the file type to PDF. Then click on Export. You can view it. Now you have a PDF format of your map. Now let's look at sharing your entire project. You can package your map or project as an ArcGIS package. To do this, under the Share tab, come to the Package group, click on Project. Okay. If you want to upload this package to online account, that is your ArcGIS account, you can select this. But to save project to file, you check this. Then you can determine the location where you want to save your file under this. Also, you can check for attachments. If you have further attachments you want to add, click on Browse Files and it will be attached. Then you can put a summary of the project. You can write the summary here, what the project is all about, so that your colleague that will be working on it will have idea of what the project is all about. These are just tags, probably related tags to the project. So if you want someone outside your organization to have access to it, you check this. If not, you leave it unchecked. In order to include all items, check all items. So it will include all items in your map. Then you can click to analyze. This is just an error message to let us know that if this project is opened in an earlier version of ArcGIS Pro, it will not work. So we can ignore it. Then we are good to go. So from here we can package this map. The packaging is done. Then we can click manage the package to locate our project package that we can share with anyone that wants to work on it. Then we have our map package here. From here we can proceed to send. Now you know how to save, organize your ArcGIS Pro project, export maps and layout as PDF or images, and also to share your work as packages. Please take note, saving and sharing are essential for preserving your artwork and making it accessible to others. So always ensure that you save your work properly as you make progress and there is new updates to be saved. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more and let us know in the comment if we have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in day 8. Bye.